Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple particle background in After Effects without using any plugins. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'm going to create a new composition. Let me name it particle background. It will be Full HD, 30 frames per second and 10 seconds for the duration. Then click OK. Now we want to create a solid layer to add our particles on it. So I'll go up here, new layer to add a new solid. You can name it particle, then hit OK. Then I'll open effects and presets to search for CC particle world. And now I'll add the particle world on the solid layer. Now I'm going to move a little bit forward on the timeline so we can see the particles here. Then head over to the effect controls panel. First, I'm going to set the longevity to 5 seconds like that. And I'll go to the position Z and I'm going to set it to 1 just to push it a little bit further away from the camera. And I'll set all radius here, X, Y, and Z. I'll set it to 1. Now I'll go to physics. I'm going to choose a duration axis. Then set velocity to 0.5. Gravity, I'll change it to 0. Extra, also 0. Extra angle, also 0. Like that. Okay? Okay, now I'm going to open the duration axis settings to set the x-axis to 1. So now the particle will flow forward toward the camera. Now open particle, particle type, and I'm going to choose faded sphere. And I'm going to decrease the birth size to 0.1. Set the size variation to 100 and max opacity to 100. Now we can choose the start and the end colors for the particles. So I'm going to choose something like blue. Then select the same color and I'll make it a little bit darker. Also, you can choose any colors you want. Now we can preview our particle and here we have the simple particle setup. Okay, I think it's cool and nice. Okay, we are going to create a loop at 5 seconds. So move the time indicator to 5 seconds and create a keyframe on birth rate by clicking the stopwatch, okay? Then press U on your keyboard to see the keyframe on your timeline. And I'll move that keyframe 1 frame back, okay? Set birth rate to 0. And then also press B on your keyboard to bring the start of the timeline to 5 seconds, okay? So now this is our work area. And we are going to select the particle solid layer. Press Ctrl D to duplicate it. And we are going to move the duplicated particle solid layer forward in time. So it starts from 5 seconds, okay? All right, so now if we take a look at this, we'll see that we have a similar loop just as you can see. It ends here and then it starts playing from the beginning again and we won't notice anything. It just keeps following smoothly, okay? And that's what a similar loop looks like. Yeah. Okay, now let's add a glow effect. So I'll go to layer and I'll add a new adjustment layer. Then I'll go to effect, stylize, and I'll add a glow. Okay, So I'll go to glow threshold and I'll decrease it a little bit.